mahirap na pagtagumpayan niyo po, lalo na po ito, lalo na po ikaw, kuya. Tumayo po kayo bilang pinakamagulang ni Rhea, kaya sobrang po ang respeto ko sa inyo. Huwag po mag-alala na sabi niyo po na handa kayo magpakalalaki pag sinakta mo si Rhea. Hindi na po yun anat kasi wala po akong balak saktan si Rhea. At alam ko po na mahirap sa part mo. Pero makakakasa po kayo na lagi po kaming uuwi sa inyo. And thank you, kuya and ate. And sa parents ko naman po na si mahal po kasi ako. So, ano po sa kay Kuya Lawrence and kay ate. Hi, walang iyakan na. Wala akong masabi hindi salamat kasi hindi niyo ako sinukuhan. Alam niyo naman na yun. Kaya babawi ako. Alam ko hindi kasi tayo showy kahit naman na si Kuya. Siguro mana tayo kay nanay. Hindi tayo showy. Pero salamat kasi palagi ka nandiyan sa amin. Kasi ako natutunan yung salita or totoo ibig sabihin ng kapatid. Kaya thank you ate. Thank you kay Lawrence. Last, kay mother ko. Kay Maria Luisa. Salamat at pinalaki mo ako sa paraang alam mo. Alam ko na mahirap magpalaki ng tulad ko, kaya nagpapasalamat ako na ikaw ang magulang at pinagkaloob sa akin ng Diyos. Hindi man ako perfectong anak at matigas yung ulo, pero mahal na mahal kita at masaya ako na nasaksihan mo yung kasal namin ni Rhea. Kahit naman na lagi ka or tayong hindi magkasundo, may makakaasa ka, naninititahin kita, hindi para bisitin ka para lambingin na. Love you, Nay.
Okay. Good afternoon po. I want to take this moment to honor my mother-in-law, Nanay Luisa. Thank you so much, Tita, for being a good mother to Carlo. I know that the person he is today is because of your love and guidance. Thank you for the endless patience with him and stood by him with a lot of understanding. Thank you, Tita, for welcoming me into your family. From the very beginning, you made me feel accepted. Someone who truly belongs to your family. I will always be thankful to God that He gives me a mother-in-law like you. Thank you so much, Tita. And to Ate Gaisel, I admire you, and you are an amazing person who always opens her helping hand without any hesitation. Thank you for always being there to us, to help and guide us whenever we need support. You are so generous with your time. Thank you for being a good sister, not only to Carlo, but to me as well. I'm truly blessed and grateful, Ate, to be part of your family. Thank you so much po. And sa mga kapatid ko po, first, to Kuya Reynald, thank you for being my guardian during the times when our parents were no longer with us. You stepped up not just a brother, but as a provider and protector in our family. I am truly blessed to have you. Kuya, I appreciate all the things that you have done to me. I know that Tatay, Mama, and Lola is very happy and proud kung ano man ang meron tayo, kakapatid. And to my ate, Ate Remy Rose, I want you to know how much I appreciate you being my sister. I admire your for your hard-working spirit and confidence you carry in everything you do. You inspire me more than you know. I know sometimes we have a lot of misunderstanding, but no matter what happened, always remember that your bunso is always here for you. So, kuya and ate, mahal na mahal ko kayo. Hindi porket na mag-aasawa ako, ay kakalimutan ko kayo. So, yun po. Salamat po, Ate Kaysel, Nanay Luisa, kuya and ate. Thank you so much.